How to make realistic money with internet marketing. Hi guys, my name is Ernest ODell and I'm excited to share this information with you because your wildest dreams have come true. You have finally found the one system that will start making you a big income online without beating your head against the wall and trying to make a whole bunch of itty-bitty commissions. I've been marketing on the internet since 1996 and making a living with it, and I'd like to share some information with you. Learning a skill like internet marketing can set you up for life, and I'm glad that you realize it, or you wouldn't have found your way here. I discovered internet marketing back in 1996, but it won't take you 25 years to learn what I know. I'm going to teach you, walk you through by the hand. Like anything new you start in life, I can imagine it might be a little overwhelming because you don't know what to expect. But take it from me, you can learn this in a much shorter time. With the way technology is going today, it doesn't take you weeks, but you can get set up and making money within minutes. Within minutes, okay? Not hours, but minutes. Just take it one day at a time. The pieces of the puzzle will fall into place in no time at all. You'll see. Thousands of others have gone on before you, and some have given up, and some have succeeded beyond their wildest dreams. So why shouldn't you succeed too? The good thing is that you have me to help you navigate the minefield of this industry, because not everyone out there who says they're going to help you really do. And it would be my honor to show you the ropes. As long as you're willing to roll up your sleeves and work with me, it will be well worth your time. Are you ready? Good. Let's continue. I'm going to make this as short as possible. The ability to get visitors to your offer is what makes it possible to make money on the internet or not. It's not easy for a lot of people, and for many newbies, it's almost impossible to understand. But I'm going to boil it down to its simplest method to conquering internet marketing and make a ton of money online while you're at it. Driving visitors to your products doesn't need to be tricky. It takes a little work and a short learning curve, but trust me when I tell you, all you have to do is follow instructions and you can do this. It's not rocket science and you don't need a degree in computer science. There are internet marketers all over the world, from newbies to veterans, who have learned the basics of internet marketing. It's really not that tricky if you're willing to learn the skills and develop the abilities and understanding of advertising sources. First, you need a product already done for you, and you can get it with the Home Business Pro by clicking the first link in the description below this video and signing up. Then check your email for the verification and welcome message and reply back to me if you need help. The next thing you need is traffic, also known as visitors, and you can get those on the second link in the description below this video. Third, after you get your accounts set up, if you need help, just reply to the welcome email when you sign up on the first link below this video, and I'll send you my contact info and set up a personal Zoom call with you just like this one, and I will walk you through it and get you started. These two systems, the Home Business Pro and the Traffic Blaster Pro, are helping newbies just like you make $600 to $800 a day. And there's no reason why you shouldn't have some of this money in your pocket. The money is there and it's unlimited. All you have to do is go get it. Click on the two links below this video in the description, sign up and create your accounts, and subscribe to this channel to receive notifications of new training when I put up a new video. Click on the links below in the description, give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you, and I will see you on the inside. This is Ernest ODell signing off.